This is a fake PlayStation controller that only cost me $24, and this is a real one that looks identical. But what exactly is the difference, and is the fake controller worth the money or a complete scam? To the untrained eye, these two controllers next to one another look very similar, but there are some very noticeable differences in the overall aesthetics and quality when it comes to the build construction. When you look at the official PlayStation controller, you will notice there are some silver accents to the D-pad and also the text on the controller versus the fake one, which has more of a dull matte gray. This is the first most major obvious sign that this isn't a real controller, and in addition to this, the colors are way more vibrant on the official Sony DualShock 4. Now, this fake controller is called the DualShock 4, very creative on the ripoff name, and if you just threw this into somebody's hands without them having something to compare it to, it would pass as an official controller. It has rumble effects that are very strong and feel similar. It even has the touchpad and light bar functionalities, and the buttons are also labeled just like the official Sony products with the X, square, triangle, and circle. For any additional accessories and in-game functionality, there is a headphone port and even a built-in internal speaker on the DualShock 4, so you're not even missing out on that when you're playing, for example, story games like The Last of Us. There is definitely a difference in weight on the two controllers when you hold them in the hand. The official Sony one feels a little bit heavier and more durable, and then the official PlayStation logo is missing on the $24 controller. It's not on that home button. Now, I've owned this fake PlayStation controller for quite a bit of time now, and it's worked great as an additional gamepad, especially for two-player co-op or just as a spare when your main controller maybe goes flat. Is it a possible replacement for an official DualShock 4? Probably not. But for $24, I guess you can't really complain. But the question is, would you prefer to buy a used pre-owned controller for a similar price, or would you risk it with something like this? Now, this isn't the only cheap accessory that I've purchased for my PlayStation, and if you want to see me unbox some of the cheapest PlayStation accessories that are kind of worth buying, you should check out this video next. But as always, I've been Ben Rowlands. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.